What's next? Oh yeah, have a great day. I'm done. When it comes to kitchen design, being aesthetically beautiful doesn't always translate in being practical. So today we'll look at 5 functional areas and what makes the best out of them. Hello, my name is François. Welcome to our E-SPACE. A great kitchen should be functional. To summarize, it's divided into 5 zones to make it more efficient, to have a greater flow, and for it to be more intuitive. Let's start with the provision zone. It's composed of 2 areas, so it's all food related. In one section, you'll have all the non-perishable food that usually goes into the pantry, and the other zone, you'll have the freezer and refrigerator, where you can store all the fresh food. The next one is the storage zone. So the storage zone is everything that helps you set the table. So you have the plates, the cups, glasses, wine glasses, and utensils. So I suggest to have that zone close to the washing area. That way it's going to facilitate you to store everything once you're done. The next one is the washing area, where you have the entryway for the water, for the sink, and the dishwasher. You should make sure to have in close vicinity all the cleaning products. Also, adjacent to it, just think to install the trash that's close by. That will be also set up close to your preparation area for the next section. In the preparation zone, think of it as the meal prep area. In that section, you'll need knives, cutting boards, small appliances, anything that you need to mix and to prepare a meal. And finally, there's the cooking zone, where the magic happens. That's where your ranges, your oven, and your cooktop will be. Make sure that in that area, you have enough room for your pots and pans and all the utensils that you'll need to cook. When you'll be ready to design your next kitchen, just keep all this in mind and exchange with your kitchen designers to make sure that you get the most functional kitchen for your dream house. Hopefully this tip was useful. If you want to learn more, visit us on our E-SPACE. My name is François. Have a great day.